Yes, greetings and welcome to Joachim Sulfate Examinations Board 2026. Again, is your sponsor, Muhino Joachim. Call him Joachim Sulfate. Friends, it has been a long time without meeting. However, I have been still there in some other duties pertaining our academical success is concerned. Allow me greet every candidate, both from P7 level, from senior 4 and senior 6. But for the purposes of this paper, I'm measuring about the senior 6 candidates. And that wise man or that wise lady of senior 5. My brothers and sisters who are doing chemistry, like for those doing BCM, those doing PCM, those doing PCB, I salute you, brothers and sisters. Good. For today, I've just wanted us to talk about the chemistry theory paper that is coded as P525/1 chemistry paper 1. That is it according to how I'm showing you. I've just set it for August/September 2026. Brothers and sisters, our chemistry paper 1, it is one paper. For the first sector of chemistry at general, it is one paper. It being one paper, but in the previous curriculum, it has been containing 3 papers all to 4. Those of theory, that is to say chemistry, organic, and organic, as how now current teachers are teaching us in that style. But for the chemistry paper, the current curriculum shall be doing only one paper and shall be done in the time as stipulated on our timeline, 2 3/4 hours. It means 2 and 45 minutes. Brothers and sisters, our chemistry paper, the instructions that the other instructions, the examination paper shall consist of 2 sections, A and B. It has 6 examination items. The paper we're going to do, brothers, is going to have section A and section B, and it's going to have 6 examination items. Friends, section A is compulsory and it's going to have 2 items. Section B has 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. Then a candidate is required to answer only one part. It means in the whole paper you're going to answer only 4 examination items. Another instruction that telling us that begin your scenario, begin your answer or your response on the fresh page in the booklet. Friends, now section A, which is compulsory and is having 2 items, we need to focus on it so much. For example, friends, section A, part 1, we shall be focusing about physical chemistry. I beg my pardon, I have said that. Section A, item 1 and item 2, there is physical chemistry. Not that very well. For example, this scenario, we are seeing the stories bringing us chemistry of group 2 chlorides. You are seeing that story. It means you must set your minds to the group 2 elements, probably the chlorides, and in the main chlorides here that bring us the calcium and the magnesium chloride. That is group 2. We are seeing it. Now this group 2, they are not meaning now the organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, no. For physical chemistry, now we are seeing thermodynamic processes, enthalpy. That is thermochemistry. It means item 1, for this paper of ours, it is dealing about thermal chemistry. And as we know, physical chemistry. As in my next video, I'm going to bring for you the elements of constructive chemistry. But for this purpose now, we are going to, I was just showing you what is needed paper section A, it is physical chemistry. We go in section B, part 1. Section B, part 1, that's where we bring our inorganic chemistry. I beg my pardon? Inorganic chemistry. The inorganic chemistry, that's where we're going to be dealing. They're going to give us 2 scenarios. For 2 scenarios, you choose 1 scenario from section B, part 1. Now, like for this scenario, they're telling us engineers have given us the elements. They're telling us group 14, that is physical chemistry. Now here you're going to come and explain things of the trends, those stuff as we've been studying. So now that for this item they have given us group 14. Group 14, we remember it on our periodic table. It is having carbon, it is having silicon, germanium, and tin. And they have given us the melting points and the common oxidation. As you know, things of inorganic, they want trend. So you as a chemistry student, now you must be knowing trend. Friends, for item 4 in the same section, part 1, here I'm showing you radioactivity. You are seeing beta emitter. You are seeing the radioisotope. You are seeing that table. That means that is the physical chemistry, and this topic is radioactivity. So we need to integrate the knowledge we use it in O level plus the radioactivity we're going to studying in A level to answer section B, part 1, which is inorganic chemistry. Now, section B, part 2, that is organic chemistry. Now, organic chemistry, and for this item 5 of ours, you are seeing benzene, dibromethane. So that chemistry of ours, physical chemistry, that organic chemistry. Now it's required here synthesis. Must be knowing the synthesis, and you must be knowing the mechanism of saying. You must be knowing the synthesis of those compounds and the mechanism of those compounds. Friends, that is the paper. And maybe if you want this paper of mine, this paper of ours, we can pass together. Remember, prior proper planning prevents poor performance, and I'm your supplier both in the O and the A level item banks. I'm having different subjects, different books in soft copy and hard copy, both advanced and O level. I'm having your notes, please. You can contact me, and that is my contact number, or you can WhatsApp me, or you can send me an email. That is my address, jomhendojoakim@gmail.com. Or you can give me any other comment and how we can develop together, how we can pass our A level together for God and my country. Friends, let us cooperate to ensure that we can make our level based in our A level, curriculum, and as per our passing is concerned. Brothers and sisters, let us come and unite. I've been telling you that I'm having all books. Members who are in need of Kaira jobs, friends who are in need of Kaira jobs, that is physical chemistry, that is organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. All those brothers of ours, I'm there for you, and we can cater for ourselves, and we pass together. I'm having those Kaira jobs books in soft copy. So if you want that soft copy, you can just approach to me. For God and my country.